In today's video, I'm going to talk about what habits are keeping you broke. Now, whatever it is that you're doing, maybe you're working a 9-to-5 job, maybe you have a physical business, or maybe you're trying something online, right? Whatever it is that you're doing at the moment, I'm going to basically break down these habits that you might even have, right? Which are either holding you back or keeping you broke, okay? And I'm literally going to break down in this video and show you guys what the alternative is and how you can actually change these habits so you can actually, rather than end up broke every single month, start making money instead, right? Now, if you guys aren't familiar with me, my name is Alim. I quit my 9-to-5 job just under 2 years ago when I was working in the UK. I was working several jobs. I hated it. I quit my job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai, right? And this is where I currently reside. And now I run a successful 6-figure online coaching business, which has completely changed my life, given me freedom, allowed me to make well over 6 figures a year, and has given me a really good life, right? And I'm going to break down some habits, right? Some of them which even I had, okay? So let's go through it together, right? These habits are keeping you broke. Now, just before I continue, this is my story, right? So I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in August, back in 2014. This was my first job. I was 17 at the time. Long story short, I hated it. I hated the deliveries. I hated working there. I hated the 6 a.m. starts. It was the worst. I then worked in Duty Free's warehouse in 2017 where I was working night shifts. This was terrible as well. I hated working there. Someone actually committed suicide at work. It was that bad. I then joined Sky as a sales advisor in 2018. Again, I hated this job. There was so much micromanagement, so much work politics, and yeah, I hated it as well. Then I got a new role as a media operator within the same company, within Sky as well, right? Now, this job was a lot better. Like one of the best jobs I had out of all of them. Still, even though this job was a lot better, I hated it, right? Because I was going to work, I had a boss, I had to work 12 hours a day. To be fair, it was a chilling job in that sense where I wasn't doing much. But guys, I was only coming home with what, $2,000 a month? I didn't have freedom, you know, I didn't have money, I didn't like it. And I wanted to change my life for the better. And especially when I saw other people, you know, living in Dubai, younger than me, making money online. And I'm thinking to myself, you know, why am I working here when other people younger than me are able to make money online, live in Dubai, and here I am working 40 hours a week, making $2,000 a month, right? It's pointless. So as I said earlier, I quit my job, I sold my car, and I moved to Dubai to work for myself. Now I work from anywhere, and now I run a successful 6-figure online coaching business, right? Now, first thing you guys need to understand is you need to look at your habits. And I'm going to break these down one by one, and you tell me if you have these habits or not, okay? So let's start off with the first one, watching Netflix. Now, this might sound very innocent, right? You might say, well, I like watching Netflix. I like doing this, X, Y, and Z. Without realizing it's keeping you guys broke, man. It's keeping you guys broke. Look, Netflix is such a waste of time, right? And I actually do not watch TV. I never used to watch Netflix before either. I don't actually watch TV. I don't enjoy watching TV. I know it's a waste of time. And when you guys understand what the system is designed to do, Netflix, movies, all of these other things are all distractions, right? So watching Netflix is wasting your time. And you guys might be watching a series, right? You might watch episode 1, then what happens? You watch episode 2, then you're like, I might as well watch episode 3. And then what happens is you go through a whole season, right, without realizing. How much time have you wasted now? That time could have been allocated with you building an online business, right? And you sometimes spend hours and hours watching Netflix. And guys, again, there are so much better use of your time. Like, don't watch Netflix. It's a waste of time. It's holding you back. This is one thing that you need to change, right? Stop watching Netflix. It's a waste of time. It's not going to change your life. It's not going to allow you to become rich. It's going to keep you broke, okay? Now, let's move on to the next one. Buying designer clothes. And I did this myself back in the day. I used to buy loads of designer clothes. I remember buying Louboutins, which were like, what, £700 shoes at the time. I bought a Versace robe, which I actually still use today. That was like £500-600. I bought so many, you know, designer stuff back in the day. And when you're young, I get it. You know, you want the designer stuff. You want to fit in with your friends, whatever it is, right? But designer stuff is also keeping you broke. Guys, some of these things are like £1,000 plus, or some of these things are like £500 plus, right? And let's really try to understand designer stuff. You only buy designer stuff because you want to impress someone else. Do you really think the other person cares enough, right? Okay, sure, they might be impressed when you pull up with a, I don't know, Versace jacket, right? But what's the point? What's the point? They get impressed for 2 seconds and they go about their day. And you impressing them doesn't make you money, right? If anything, it keeps you broke because you have to keep buying more designer stuff to kind of like fit in with your image. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Designer stuff, waste of time. just buy normal stuff, right? Normal t-shirts. Guys, you probably see in all my videos, I wear just a normal black t-shirt. It's just easy. I don't have to like go through my closet and try and find a designer stuff that I want to wear. I literally just wear a black t-shirt and black shorts every single day, right? And when you get to a certain level of wealth, which I'm not saying I'm there, by the way, but when you do get to a certain level of wealth, you just buy simple clothes. You just buy simple t-shirts, cheap t-shirts, right? That you can just wear over and over again. And yeah, I have gone past this phase of buying designer clothes. As I said to you, it's a waste of time. Do not get into that habit, because again, it will keep you broke, right? Now, the final one, playing video games. And this is also something I used to do back in the day. And to be honest, this was one of the things that held me back the most, right? Because video games are a big, big waste of time, guys. It is a big waste of time. When you play video games, right, especially if you play like maybe story mode, or maybe I used to play FIFA Ultimate Team, right? When you play that, and let's say you get a higher rank, or you get, in my case, better players, you feel like you've achieved something, right? You feel like, oh, I've got a good player, I've done well in the game. And when I used to play these games and try to level up in the game, like nothing changed for me, right? In a digital world, sure, I was doing well, I had good players, or let's say you're playing Black Ops and you got a good rank, or whatever it is, right? I don't even know what the games are nowadays. I haven't played PlayStation for a very long time. But my point is, video games are also a distraction, right? Also waste your time. You play games, you would literally achieve nothing. And especially as men, if you're playing video games, right, what actually happens is you feel like you've achieved something when you play these games. And the scary thing is that you haven't achieved anything. You haven't achieved anything significant, but you're playing these games, right, feeling like you've achieved something, but in your real life, you've achieved nothing. So what's the point of wasting your time trying to achieve something in the digital world when you can achieve something in the real world, right? And that's why it is a waste of time. Do not get into it. It's going to make you feel like you've achieved something when really and truly you've achieved nothing, right? So do not get into it. Now, you need to ask yourselves, right? Are any of these things making you rich? And if you're truly honest with yourself, you'll say no. If anything, all of these things are keeping you broke, right? And that's why you've got to stop them. You've got to stop them. I stopped buying designer clothes. I don't watch Netflix. I never did, to be honest. And yeah, video games I used to play a lot back in the days. I don't play that anymore, right? So, what you should do instead, okay? And I'm going to go through it now. What you should do instead of playing video games, watching Netflix, and buying designer clothes or designer stuff. What you need to do, right, it's very simple. Start an online business. Guys, I cannot tell you how important it is to start an online business. It's one of the most rewarding things, right? Starting an online business and literally making money online, which gives you freedom, allows you to live where you want, gives you that life where you can do what you want to do and don't have to listen to a boss. It is one of the best things ever. So start an online business. So rather than watch Netflix, rather than buy designer clothes, rather than, play video games. So Netflix and video games waste your time, designer clothes waste your money, right? So what you can do is invest in yourself instead of spending on designer clothes. And rather than watching Netflix and playing video games, you can use that time to build your online business. Now this leads me to my point. Which business should you start, right? Because there are so many businesses. So let's go through it one by one. Now, these are kind of like the common ones, right? Drop shipping, and I've done this for a few years as well. Drop shipping, you got affiliate marketing, and you got trading, right? Now let's go through these one by one. With drop shipping, you tend to need to have some money, right? Drop shipping doesn't really teach you any valuable skills. It's very hard to scale, especially if you don't have money up front, and you need to keep testing different products, and it's not always like guaranteed in that sense, because you have to test products, you'll lose money, you'll make money. It's very, very up and down. It's very, very volatile. I wouldn't recommend drop shipping. And again, this is coming from someone that's actually done it for a while, done it for years, right? Affiliate marketing, yeah, you don't need to put any money up front with affiliate marketing. However, with affiliate marketing, you do need a big audience usually, right? So affiliate marketing is essentially promoting someone else's product or service. And when you sell it and someone buys it, you get a cut. But my logic from this is that rather than doing that, why not just create your own thing? Because then you get the full amount, right? This is why I don't believe in affiliate marketing anymore. I used to think it was one of the best ways to make money online. But now I realize that unless you have a big audience, it's a waste of time. Trading is another one, and I know a lot of people do trading. I know a lot of people teach trading, right? But trading, again, you need a lot of money. You need to understand the markets. It's very, very volatile. In my opinion, it's pretty much like gambling, right? You need to really learn it. It probably takes years, and yeah, I wouldn't recommend trading. So what should you start instead? And this is, again, one of the best business models. You should start a one-skill consulting business, okay? A one-skill consulting business is the best online business that anyone can do, okay? And what is a one-skill consulting business model, you might ask, right? Well, let me break it down. Firstly, you sell skills and knowledge, okay? So any skill you've got or any knowledge you possess, you sell it to high-ticket clients. Secondly, you can charge a high-ticket price, which means you can charge $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Yes, you can charge that to clients. So if you charge $5,000, one client will pay you $5,000, which means you only need 2 clients a month to make 10K a month. You can see how easy it is already, right? And finally, you work online. Guys, working online has always been my dream, right? And obviously now I'm living my dream. It's even better than I thought it was, right? Because guys, you have utmost freedom. I can do whatever it is that I want. I don't have a boss. I can live where I want. You know, I wake up at any time I want nowadays. Life is good. So working online gives you that freedom where you don't have to be somewhere. You don't have to, you know, listen to someone. You can do it all on your own, and you can literally do it all from a laptop, which means you can travel. You can, you know, go on vacation. You can, you know, maybe even stay in Dubai or wherever it is that you want to go to. You can do that because it's all online, right? Now, if you want more information, right, and actually guided help with building this business, because this is what I do. I run an online coaching business where I work with people directly and scale them to 10K a month, right? So this is where I'll work with you directly and scale you to over 10K a month. It's my 3-month program, right? If you are interested, book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description below, okay? And what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how you can start this business model, and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now let's move on. So this can make you rich. And here's how, okay? So here is an example. And this is an example I gave you earlier, but just with more clients, right? So let's say you charge $5,000. If you sign 20 clients, you'll make $100,000. Guys, think about this for a second. You only need 20 clients who you're gonna charge $5,000 for you to make 100 grand. Now, 20 clients is extremely easy. That's less than 2 clients a month, right? You can make 100 grand a year by signing less than 2 clients a month for 5 grand. Come on, guys. It is so easy. It is so easy. Now, let me give you some examples of some offers, right? Now, there's actually a woman here in Dubai teaching people how to knit. She charges just around $1,000 a month. She has 18 clients. She makes 18K a month, right? You've got another person who's got a stop drinking program. Now, he charges 8.5K a month. He has 10 clients. He makes 85K a month. You've got someone else who teach entrepreneurs mindset, right? Which is a very good niche to be in. He charges 7K a month. He has 15 clients. He makes $105,000 a month. Guys, I think you guys don't really understand the possibilities with this business model. You can literally sign 15, 20, 30 clients a month, right? And make 100 grand. Like, it is that easy. Literally, it's that easy. And I don't know why more people aren't doing this business model. And again, when I say it's easy, I mean that it's easy once you get into it, once you start doing the work, once you understand what you need to do. But it's not easy as in like you'll do it tomorrow and you'll make 100 grand. Of course, there's going to be effort required, there's going to be hard work required. And this is why I recommend hiring a mentor, right? And this is exactly why I do my coaching program. Because a mentor is going to show you exactly what you need to do, and he can help you so you don't make any mistakes. Because if you do it by yourself, for example, you're going to pay with time, right? So it might take you 2 years, 3 years for you to start making 10K a month, or you can pay a little bit of money and start making 10K a month within 3 months, right? The choice is yours. So if I scroll down here now, and again, like I said to you earlier, if you want more information, right, and you want actual guided help with this, where I'll work with you directly and scale you to over 10K a month, book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description. And what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you. Now, here's how you can build one yourself, okay? So let's start from the beginning. First thing we need to do with yourself is identify a skill, okay? Now, a lot of you probably say, I don't have a skill, you know, I can't do this. Yeah, a lot of people say I don't have a skill, right? And this is crap because everyone has a skill. I recently helped a 16-year-old make his first £2,000 online, right? And he's only 16 and he's got a skill, right? So a lot of you guys might think you don't have a skill, but you do, right? So identify a skill. Again, it can be anything, right? Secondly, we need to create an offer. Okay, so let's say you've got a skill. Let's say it's maybe teaching people how to edit videos as an example, right? So what you want to then do is create an offer. Now, an offer will be your pricing, your deliverables, and who you're targeting essentially, okay? The next thing, you need to build a funnel. Now, a funnel is basically where you're going to send your traffic to. Usually it's just a landing page with a VSL. Sometimes it can be a social media platform. To be honest, it does depend on your niche, but usually it's very, very simple, right? The next thing is that you need to create YouTube videos or run ads, okay? Now, you can do these both, by the way. I don't know why I put or, it's and or. Main thing is you create YouTube videos. Building a personal brand has never been more important than now. Because by building a personal brand, you can literally build trust, you can literally build an audience who's going to be willing to pay for your service. Ads is a very good way to scale, right? So once you build an organic following, once you get some clients through the door, you can then reinvest that money into paid ads and scale even further, right? The next thing is you want to get them to book in a call with you. Next thing you want to do is sign clients. And finally, you want to provide value, okay? So guys, very, very simple business model. Literally broke it down for you. Very simple steps, explained exactly how they work. And they're very, very simple. Now, here's proof it works, right? These are just some client results. So you've got this person here who signed his first client at 5K a month for 3 months. Just under 2 months of working with me. His was offering businesses marketing services. You've got this person at the top, 2 weeks as a complete beginner, booked in their first free call. Theirs was one-to-one coaching for parents of special needs children. This person, 3 weeks working with me, had a mindset coaching offer for entrepreneurs. They landed their first client for 5K. This person working with me for nearly a month had an online fitness program. Yeah, they got their first client for 3K as well. And this person made £6,000 in a single day, which is like $7,500, which is crazy. And theirs was getting clients for businesses, right? And what I'm also going to do for you guys is I'm going to play some testimonials from clients who have recently worked with me.
I honestly cannot speak higher of working with Alim. I have literally referred 3 of my mates just because of how well he is at what he is and how well his methods and strategies are literally changing my life. Honestly, I could not ask for a better coach.
I'm working with Alim for a few months now, and he's helped me develop and grow as a person, as well as unlock potential inside of me that I didn't know I had. So I would highly recommend his services.
Just wanted to quickly shoot a testimonial video sharing my experience working with Alim. Alim has been nothing but absolutely brilliant when it comes to offer creation and just the online coaching space in general. I've learned a ton from him, and we're essentially currently going through the process of signing my first client, which is very exciting. Alim is definitely the real deal.
I've worked with Alim for about a month now, and honestly, the amount of knowledge he has in the game is absolutely crazy. He's been so much help. He's helped me start my coaching business from scratch. He's helped me identify a skill, position it and market it to potential clients. And best of all, I was able to sign my first client at only 16 years old for £2,000 within a few weeks. I'd highly recommend working with Alim as he's always available 24/7. You can shoot him a text and he'll help you the same day.
So guys, you can see anyone can do this. You literally just have to apply yourself. You literally just have to try. You literally just have to invest in yourself, and you can absolutely make a change in your life. So again, guys, if you do want more information and you want actual guided help with building this business, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to over 10K a month, book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. But ultimately, guys, I hope this video is valuable. You can click the next video that you see on your screen. However, if you click on the left, that will take you to the website to book in a call with me. Whatever you do, guys, just make sure you take action.